Today our topic is volume and capacity. Subtopic is what is the volume? What is the volume? Volume of an object volume of an object is the amount of space occupied by volume of an object. Volume of an object is the amount of space occupied by in the space. Furthermore, we want to study some theories about the volume, right? We want to study furthermore some theories in the about volume, right? Write down these specific features of the volume. Usually, you know the length, breadth, and height of the solid. Usually, you know that what is the length, what is the breadth, and what is the height of the solid. Right? When we consider the cube, right? This is the cube, right? You know that, right? This is the length. This is the breadth. This is the height, right? This is the length, breadth, and height. Next, when we consider the cuboid, this is the length, this is the breadth or width, and this is the height. Right. You know that I already explained when we calculate the volume of the solid, especially in grade 8, we are discussing the capacity and volume of the cube and cuboid. In grade 9, 10, 11, we are discussed the capacity of different type of solid. Right. There are several formulas to calculate the volume, right? Volume we nominate as V. 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 Right. V equal length into breadth into height. Length equal volume equal length into breadth into height. So one formula. Other formula is volume equal to area multiplied by height. Other one is area multiplied by height. That is the main two formula to calculate the volume of the cube and cuboid. Some books, right, give another equation for the volume of cuboid. Sorry, volume of the cube, because you know that in a cube, length, breadth and height are equal to each other. Cube එකක් ගත්තාම එයාගේ උස පළල දිග එකිනෙකට සමානයි. උස පළල දිග එකිනෙකට සමානයි. Therefore some books ඒගොල්ලෝ කියනවා හරි length එක a එනම් breadth එක a එනම් height එකත් a. ඒක නිසා සමහර පොත්වල තියෙනවා මේ වාගේ formula එකක් volume of cuboid, right? Volume of volume of cube මෙන්න මේව දෙනවා b equal a into a. A means height equal height, length and breadth equal to each other. Taking the a multiplied by a. That equation, a equation එක තවදුරටත් simplify කරලා ඉවරලා කියනවා cube එක volume එක v equal power of a3. V equal power of a3 කියලා ඉවරලා cube එකක් ගැන කතා කරද්දි කියනවා a equal power of a3 කියලා ඉවරලා. Write down an example. The side length of the cube is 10 centimeters. The side length of the cube is 10 centimeters. Calculate the volume. Volume equal length into breadth into height. According to this example, in this cube, is 10 centimeters. Therefore, we know that in a cube, all sides are equal to each other. Therefore, height should be 10 centimeter as well breadth should be 10 centimeters. Right. 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters. Right. 1000 cubic centimeter. 1000 cubic centimeters. The volume equal 1000 cubic centimeters. The volume equal the volume equal 1000 cubic centimeters. Next example. The length of a cuboid, the length of a cuboid, the length of the cuboid is 10 centimeter, with WID width is 5 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. Calculate the volume of cuboid. Calculate the volume of cuboid. This is the normal shape of the cuboid. Its length is 10 centimeters, height is 2 centimeters, and width කියන්නේ පළල breadth එක තමයි. Width is 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Right? Yes. That amount we can apply to this formula. Right? That amounts we can apply to this formula. Length is 10 centimeters. Breadth means width 5 centimeters into 2 centimeters. Very simple. 10 into 5, 50, 50 into 2, 100 cubic centimeters. Volume is 100 cubic centimeters. Next example. Write down this example. The area of the cuboid 150 square centimeters. The area of the cuboid 150 square centimeters. The volume of that cuboid is 450 cubic centimeters. 450 cubic centimeters. 450 cubic centimeters. Calculate the height. Calculate the height of the cuboid. Calculate the height of the cuboid. The area is 150 square centimeters. Volume is 450 cubic centimeter. Now you want to calculate the height. How we do it? You know that volume equal length into breadth into height. As well as you want to know that, you want to remember that area means, right? How we find the area? We find the area multiplied by breadth and length. අපි area හෙව්වේ දිග පළල වැඩි කරලා. Length and breadth. එහෙනම් as well as we studied another formula, there are two different formula to calculate the volume of the solid, especially this used for the cube and cuboid. Right? According to our example, area is 150 square centimeters and the volume is 450 cubic meters. Now we want to find the H. I'm explaining you, right? We know that, right, L multiplied by B කියලා කියන්නේ area, length into breadth, length into breadth. Otherwise we studied another formula, B equal A into H. In here, according to this exercise, right, now we can apply these amounts. V equal L into H, L into B into H. In L and B, we know that area. L into B is area. Now see here. Volume is 450. එක දීලා තියෙනවානේ cubic centimeters. Volume is 450 cubic centimeters. Volume is 450 cubic centimeters. It's equal to area 150 square centimeters into H. Now you know that easily you can find the H, because this is a simultaneous equation which we earlier discussed. Then balanda 450 centimeters cubic centimeters equal 150 square centimeters H. 150 square centimeters H. Then H we want to remove this. Now remove we can divide both sides by 150. එකසිය50න් දෙපැත්තම බෙදෙනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි කියනවා පුතේ අපේ ක්‍රමයට මගේ ක්‍රමයට මම කියනවා this is a multiplication. මේ multiplication එක මේ පැත්තට ගේනකොට division එකක් වෙනවා. එයා division එකක් වෙනවා. මේ බලන්න 450 square centimeters මේ පැත්තට ගේනවා cubic centimeters 150 square centimeters 150 square centimeters equal H. Then බලන්න 150 450 and 3. This is a cubic centimeter, this is a square centimeters. දැන් ඒ දෙක විතරක් ගත්තාම තියෙන indices දර්ශකයා cm වල තුන්වෙනි බලය power of 3, cm වල දෙවෙනි බලය power of 2. දැන් යන්න මතක් වෙන්න ඕන the indices rules. Indices rules වල කියනවා if the base is same when index dividing, if the base is same, the power should be subtracted. ඒ කියන්නේ base එක සමාන නම් දර්ශක බෙදීමේදී හරි දර්ශක බෙදීමේදී බලයන් අඩු වේ. එහෙනම් 3 වලින් 2 අඩු වුණාම සාමාන්‍ය ක්‍රමයට ගත්තොත් cm power of 1. cm power of 1 කියන්නේ නිකම්ම cm. හරි පළවෙනි බලය කියන්නේ කිසි වැදගැම්මකට නෑනේ. එහෙනම් 3cm equal H. එහෙනම් මෙයාගේ උස කොච්චරද? එහෙම නැත්නම් height එක කොච්චරද? 3 centimeters. Height of this cuboid is 3 centimeters. Next example. The volume of the solid, the volume of the solid is 64 cubic centimeters. 64 cubic centimeters. Its length is 4 centimeters. Its length is 4 centimeters. Height is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Calculate the width. Calculate the width. Right. See here. V equal length into breadth into height. V 64 cubic centimeters and length is 4 centimeters. Breadth we don't know, which means breadth, and height is 8 centimeters. Now see here, this is B, it's a simple B. Now see here, 4 into B, 4B, 4 into 8, 4B into 8, 32 square centimeters B. Right. Now it's same, no? 64 square cubic centimeter. 32B. Both sides should be divided by 32. Otherwise, මෙයා අපි අරන් එනවා මේ පැත්තට. 64 cubic centimeter divided by 32 square centimeters equal B. Right? 2 centimeters. B equal 2 centimeters. B equal 2 centimeters. That is the answer.